Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, new video. So basically, today we are going to be building a Lego set. We do a lot of Lego set building videos on my channel, so might as well do another one. This Lego set is the Mobile Command Center. It is ages 6 and up and has 374 pieces. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all, and like this video. Let's get into the speed build. This is an important message. We are about to hit 500 subscribers. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to announce my business, so please subscribe. Also, we just hit 400 subscribers. Thank you all so much. Now, we gotta get back into the speed build. Alright, it is done. So it comes with 4 people, a little dog. Here is the actual trailer. It comes up right here, and it has a little door in the back. It also comes with a 4-wheeler and a little motorcycle. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace!